In today's video, I'm doing another bloom piece and I'm going to be using up the leftover pigments that I had in a previous painting. I had quite a bit left over and I didn't want to waste it, so I just grabbed a couple of other canvases. I'm working on one wood circle and I grabbed another small canvas to use up my paint. I have my Revlon hairdryer, which I use on a low setting. I'm using my white house paint as my base. I have my pink and 2 shades of purple. And then I have my white cell activator, which is just titanium white paint and Floetrol. And my colors are not actual paints, they are all color art pigments. And they are really, really gorgeous colors. I had a really nice time using them before, so I want to see if I can get some pieces with some really nice cells. I'll use my hairdryer to blow out the painting, and then I have my cake stand to spin everything out so that I can get some really nice cells. I like spinning better than tilting for this. I feel like the design ends up a little bit more even. I feel like when I'm tilting, sometimes I tilt too far. So this is just an easier way of doing things, at least I think so. I had quite a bit of space around the edge, so I used my base paint and put a little bit more down so that the colors would hopefully flow easily to the edge once I spun it out. But that hairdryer worked really well. I got some really beautiful cells in this one. I still had just a little bit more paint left, so I grabbed a smaller 6-inch square canvas. If this one turns out with some nice cells, I can always use this to make some pendants or finish it with resin for its own piece. It's a smaller canvas and there was a lot of space on my cake spinner. I put a small sheet of my freezer paper down so that it could catch some of that excess paint, and I'm going to let that dry into some acrylic skins just in case I get some good portions that spin off of the canvas. And like my previous painting, I just put a really nice amount of my base paint down, and then I layered my other colors on top with that cell activator as the final color. I had one corner that didn't have a lot of paint on it, so I tilted out my design just a little bit and then I just set everything aside so that it would all dry. But this piece, like my other piece that I worked on, has some really awesome cells and I think they'll both dry nicely.